Hi everyone. In this video, I want to cover how to add a wireless takeover module to your Pro A7 Plus panel. The installation kit comes with a replacement wall mount with an integrated antenna, the wireless takeover module, and the retention screws. The following tools will help with this installation: a standard Phillips head screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and a jeweler's screwdriver. Go to where the Pro A7 Plus is mounted and prepare the panel for removal by disarming the system. Remove the retaining screw at the bottom of the panel. Remove the panel by lifting outwards from the bottom. Now, turn the panel over and disconnect the battery. You can set the panel aside while you work on the mounting plate. Return to the location of the panel mounting plate. Disconnect the terminal block by gently pressing down on the bottom lip below the terminal block, then releasing. Remove the screws holding the mounting plate. Remove the original mounting plate and install the new mounting plate with the integrated antenna. Next, reinstall the terminal block. It should snap into place. Now, we will configure and install the wireless takeover module. At the panel, remove the right side cover. On the wireless module, use a jeweler's screwdriver to rotate the arrow to the wireless sensor type that is used in this location. In this example, we selected 5800 series wireless. Insert the module into the slot on the right side of the control panel as shown here. Secure the module using the supplied retaining screw. Reinstall the side cover, being careful to avoid bending the contacts on the module. Reconnect the battery. Next, reinstall the panel to the wall plate, and the panel should begin to power up. Secure the panel to the wall plate using the retaining screw. During the system startup sequence, you can confirm that the wireless takeover module is enabled.
Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page and click the Show More tab underneath the video where you can view valuable links pertaining to this product, similar how-to videos, and our low-cost, no-contract alarm monitoring services.